Antiquated equipment, sir.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening world, kahit saan kayo sa buong mundo. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday, everyone. Coffee in the morning. American coffee with Coffee Mate, as usual.
Here are some recent satellite photos of Russian naval bases.
Papakita ko sa iyo kung paano ako mag-almusal. Meron akong biscuit dito. Biscuit. Bruce. Kung tumali dito, Bruce. Ayan o. Oh, ganyan. Bubuksan mo ito. Ayan. Tapos yan. Sausaw mo rito.
Decided to hit us, bam, suddenly, without cause or warning. A terrorist intent on getting a nuclear war at one of our harbors. You think we could catch and kill a bogey like that in time? Absolutely, sir. Well, the Department of Defense and most of the Admiralty, they would have...
Ganyan ako kumain ng aking almusal. Tinapay, sausaw mo dito.
Clean up the Stingray and take her out off the Atlantic coast.
Kahit mga anak ko, ganyan din tinuro ko kumain. Biskuit, gano'n.
First, you're going to attempt to invade Charleston Harbor. And if you're good enough to evade further...
Nandito ako sa sala. Mag-isa ako. Nanonood ako ng konting film in the morning. Look, ito ang aking small sala. Yeah. This is my small sala. That is my computer table.
If I pull it off,
Yeah.
that is get both ports. I would like command of my own nuclear cell. Getting terms now? No, sir.
Yun yung mga picture na maalak ko nung maliliit pa sila. Ayun.
I'm headed for a desk job, which means I'm out of the Navy. I can't make you any guarantees, but this is what I'll do. I'll give you 2 live torpedoes. I'll send a dummy ship to Norfolk Harbor. If I see that baby go up, then we'll talk about your boat.
Yan. Yan ang setup ng aking table. Yan. Okay, basta bahay lang ako. Kumakain, almusal.
Lieutenant Commander Tom Dodd. You're kind of young for that zone.
Excellence knows no age, sir.
Speaking of age, what do you think?
Ganyan ako kumain. Tinapay, sausaw, kape with Coffee Mate.
Are the bird droppings, sir?